broken bones. Oh my gosh, be careful, no broken bones. I know, you will at the end, but you gotta stack it all up.
You're gonna hit it from how to let me mold it like this.
I don't think it can be molded.
Wait, look. Everybody just stop.
No, it's gonna fall right out of the cup. It's cracked.
That's good.
That's good.
Okay. Put on the vinegar.
Some nuts. We need baking soda.
Baking soda.
All right, pour some in.
There's a lot of smell though. Okay.
Keep going. We want to make sure that it works. Keep going.
I never even made the way my finger on my life.
That's good. Oh my gosh, it's on my hands.
The next one. Ooh.
Chocolate?
That's red. Red food coloring.
Oh no, that looks.
It's gonna fly everywhere.
Can you see it?
That's gonna fly everywhere. Mom,
And
can
then
I pull the other one?
hold on.
Ooh, that looks like blood. Look at her nail, you guys.
Yeah, I see.
It looks like blood.
All right, squirt some of that in there.
Pink and neon.
Put it inside the cup. Squirt,
Ooh.
squirt, squirt.
That's a pretty color.
Yeah, let's see.
Neon pink.
Pink?
Now what I do with this? It got in my hand. Can I put it back?
No,
Neon
just
pink
hold
got
it
on
right
my
now.
hand. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
the next ingredient.
neon pink
The next ingredient is the vinegar.
Oh, can I,
Oh, vinegar.
can I do it?
It's in a fancy bottle.
Wait a minute.
Oh, it's falling, Mom.
It stinks.
Pour it
you
in
too.
there.
Wait,
TJ.
you too. It stinks.
I want to get next.
All right, vinegar. Fill it up, fill it up.
Woo!
Gosh!
Valentine's
A
Day.
little more.
Put more. Put as much as possible. Can I pour some?
melting the snow.
Oh.
Wait, Taylor.
Oh my gosh.
That's all of it. Whoa.
Almost a slip.
Oh my gosh. That's so cool.
Look at